So we're out here in Plano, Texas to come see a Shelby America car show. I don't know what the club's actually called, but it's all Shelbys and stuff. And I think you could also bring Fords, which I'm pretty excited about. Just want to get that truck in there. Let's go check it out. Should be cool. So Plano is like a upcoming town. It's actually been coming up for the longest here in Texas. It's equivalent to California. It's probably like Anaheim area. Wealthy people live here, more techie. There's a lot of businesses out here, which is pretty cool. But they're having a car show out here, so it should be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check it out. It's gonna be mostly Shelbys. There's already one in the parking lot right here. It's gonna be a lot of GT350s, I feel like. But my goal is to see old classic cars, and if they have them, cool. If they don't, cool too. And I actually brought my family. My son's here with me as well. He's right here. Say hi, Nex. He has this super cool shirt. All right, let's get to it. This thing's pretty sick. Oh my god, I've never seen one of these in person. These things look so great. I love that gap right there. So we got a 1970 Mach 1. It's pretty sick with a 351 in it. Love the paint. Looks good. Never really seen this color, but it's got the shaker hood on it. Always loved that. Interesting story of the Mach 1. My cousin's uncle used to have one, and when we were kids, we wanted to modify this car. We were like, I don't know, 4th, 5th grader, something like that, and we decided to spray paint the headlight, and my cousin's uncle caught him in the act, and he got really in trouble. I always thought that was a funny story. And this was in the 90s, you know. And his color was an orange with the black scheme. But I remember he had that Hurst shifter. He would take us to school in it. Had that little Hurst shifter with that big dash. I'll never forget this car. There's a hole for the shaker hood. Pretty cool. Interesting story about this car when I was a kid. Then he got rid of it and got into Jeeps, which I always felt like he'd probably regret getting rid of it. So we got a bunch of GT350s. It's pretty sick. And GT500s. I love these wheels. It's probably the best wheels I've seen on a Mustang. These look so good. Comment down below if you know what wheels these are. These stock? They look aftermarket to me. What is this?
And I hope so.
Oh, you're good.
It had manual transfer. It had manual steering, and I was kind of looking for options, and that was. I started sort of chasing down that pathway.
Yeah, Daytona.
I'm curious how what you thought of that. It's really mixed. Really, yeah. I don't have power brakes. You don't need power brakes. You have manual brakes.
There's no doubt. And then, to be honest, so this one has the upgraded brake package. You don't need that. It's no weight with it. So,
In fact, I think
So we went and got some Mach E's here. Pretty cool. Another GT500. I don't know what this is. Dude, the GT350 red and black looks amazing. The contrast of the black looks so good. I like it. Some more GT350s. This graphite gray one looks pretty cool. Not graphite gray. What is it? Cement gray? I don't know what. I know Toyota calls it cement gray, but I don't know what Ford does. Looks pretty good. Really like the orange one. That looks good. This one looks good. I like this, except for the carbon fiber, but looks good. Like that color. Good color. Another GT500. Never seen this color. It's a cool color too. Like a lime green. Reminds me of a Mopar color, but it's clean. That was a short event. Just wanted to come out and check them out. I was hoping to catch some old Shelbys. wasn't successful, but it was cool to see all the GT350s and GT500s. One of my dream cars is to have a GT350 one day. I love the orange color and the red, so it kind of gave me a good perspective of different color schemes, which look pretty good. Well, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. I've never seen one of these in person. These things look so great. I love that gap right there. Such a cool one. Carbon fiber wheels. Sick.